Hi, I'm Sonal Pardeshi, and today I'm happy to show you how to build AI that's genuinely yours, including agents that reason over your own machine data using Agent Launchpad. I'll set up why this matters, show you how it works, and then walk through a live look at building an agent. Let's get into it. Every organization now has access to the same foundation models. That means the model itself is no longer the differentiator. What you feed it is. Your real competitive edge lives in your machine data, the operational reality of how your systems, users, and infrastructure actually behave. No public model has ever seen it. The moment teams realize this, the question shifts from which model do we buy to how do we build AI that reasons over the data that only we have. The business objective is to move from generic, off the shelf AI to AI grounded in your own proprietary telemetry without standing up a data science army or shipping sensitive operational data to a third party. Before Cisco Data Fabric, building custom AI over machine data meant a fragmented pipeline. Extract data, move it somewhere else, wrangle it into shape, hire specialists to build and maintain models, and hope that the result stays governed and current. Most teams never get past the proof of concept stage. With Cisco Data Fabric, the machine data already lives in a governed, contextualized layer. Teams can build and deploy agents that reason directly over that data using the context, lineage, and governance that already exists. The outcome is AI that reflects your actual environment, built faster, kept governed, and grounded in data that no competitor can replicate. Do we buy? Change that to how do we build AI that reasons over the data that only we have? Let's take a look at a quick demo. Let's start on the Manage Agents page. You can see we have two agents, and I'm going to double click on that health check agent. This is how you create an agent by connecting it to your LLM. Now let's open the health check agent. You can see that the default prompt says that we're going to look for errors within the last 24 hours. And then for each of those errors, summarize what's failing and where. And then we're going to file a Jira ticket and publish a Confluence summary and report back the ticket IDs. And everything is mapped to existing MCP connections and agent skills that we have set up for this agent inside of AITK. Now you can also copy this and actually run the agent straight from within your search command. So now every invocation is landing in your run history, and that's where you can look at all of your agent runs. Now let's open one of these so that we can look at what the agent produced. So here you can see that the agent actually analyzed the errors, and then it filed the tickets in Jira. So let's understand the error summary. This is a particular ticket that was filed. It's showing you the root cause as well as the recommended actions. And now let's move to the Confluence documentation. So here you've put all of the three patterns together and the flags with the findings that matter, and every error is coming from the same host. Now back to your agent, you can actually save this as an alert so that you can schedule it and trigger it whenever there's a result and send it into your inbox via email. And take it one step further. Trigger the action itself as a run AI agent, hand it a prompt, and let the agent respond to your alert with insights and recommendations. All right, let's go back to the presentation now. In our modern world of limited resources, combined with increasing velocity and tenacity of threats, agents built on your own data enable direct business outcomes. This customer quote is from a customer who built a triage agent, which saves the analyst 80% of the work and allows them to focus on final triage decisions and remediation. So, what does that unlock? Three things: faster response, because analysts stop pivoting between systems to gather context, interpret findings, and decide what's next. Broader participation, because the people closest to the work, SOC analysts, incident responders, IT operators, can build the automations that they've been imagining without becoming developers themselves. And consistent governance, replacing the one off scripts and disconnected tools that quietly accumulate risk across the enterprise. And none of this comes from a better model. It comes from your data in your environment with your governance. And that's the AI only your data can build. Thank you.